Restart.
Well, it seems like my cousin's about to go boo boo. He's sweating and everything. Hey, I think we should go lock him in there.
Hey. Oh, Musa. What now, biatch? Oh.
Musa. He can't even open the door.
God have mercy on my soul, Musa. It hurts so bad, Musa. Let me out, man. Musa, sting.
What's the magic word? What's the magic word?
Show me the genitals. Musa.
You know the magic word?
Yes, I just said it.
Loose booty.
I drink moose piss.
Say. Get in the flash.
Say get in the flash, cause I drink moose piss.
Say get in the flash, cause I drink moose piss.
Get in the flash, cause I drink moose piss.
Say get in the flash, cause I smell zebra ass.
Get in the flash, cause I smell zebra ass.
So he repeated everything we say. He was supposed to say that.
So you repeat everything you're supposed to say that?
What?
What?
Show me your genitals.
Genitals.
Show me your genitals. Genitalia. Okay, try to get out. Come on. Do your woosah transmission.
Woosah.
Woosah.
Get back, you woosah beast.
Call me Captain Morgan.
Captain Morgan.
As you can see, he's seriously getting his ass whooped right now. So.